this video, I'll be doing today's math lesson with you. Here in the classroom, we are getting our books opened up to page 513. It is lesson 13-8, and it says sort two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. We have now gotten really good at deciphering 2D and 3D shapes. We know that our 2D shapes, these are the shapes that we cut out earlier this week. They're those flat to the page shapes, and we can only measure two ways. We know that our 3D shapes are these ones that are more solid shapes that we can pick up and hold on to and look at. And so now that we know what 2D shapes are and what 3D shapes are, we're going to be taking a look at 2D and 3D shapes together and then sorting them into different groups. So Lily, it says here that you sort cards that show plane shapes and solid shapes. Tell where Lily would place this card. So our plane shapes, those look like all of our 2D shapes. And our solid shapes look like our 3D shapes. So Lily, where would this card go? In the 3D or solid shapes. So Lily's card shows a solid shape because it is three-dimensional. It's not flat. So Lily should place the card with the solid shapes. I think this will be a pretty easy lesson for you all. Here it says circle the shape that should be in each group. So this group says 3 sides. So any shapes in this row that have 3 sides, we're going to circle them. How many did you find, Emma? I found 2 as well. Circle the ones that have 3 sides. Mateo, the next one says circle the group with 0 corners. Which shapes have 0 corners? The circle and the cylinder. Good job. So you should circle this. You should circle the circle and the cylinder. Get a different one. All right, here we go. Connor, it says circle the shapes that have 4 corners and 4 sides.
The real objects are the board.
Mm-hmm.
Like board you put pins in and papers. And then puzzle.
The puzzle, yeah. The other ones are cubes. They actually have 3 dimensions, so they actually have 6 sides and multiple corners. All right. Mia took 3-dimensional shape that has only 1 flat surface. Where would she put it? A 3D shape with 1 flat surface. Which group should it go in? Chase? A 3D shape with only 1 flat surface. Well, cylinder has a flat surface here, and it has a flat surface here. So a cylinder actually has 2 flat surfaces. Mia's shape only has 1 flat surface. It's a cone because a cone has a curve and a point and only 1 flat surface. So Mia should put her shape with the cones. How are squares and cubes the same? What is the same about squares and cubes? Mateo?
That they're the same shape.
They are the same shape. How are they different? Ava June? One is a solid shape and one is flat. Good job. 2D, 3D. Oh, nice. All right, let's go to the next page now. Again, this is just a review. Johnny, it says circle the shapes with 4 corners and 4 sides. Which ones should we circle? 4 corners and 4 sides. Which ones? Should I circle this one?
No.
Should I circle this one?
Yes.
Yes. Good job. 4 corners, 4 sides. Beckett, solid shapes. Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes. Or no.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, our 3D are our solid shapes. Good job. And on the back page, friends, it says 4 corners and 4 sides. Mateo, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yep, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. How about this one?
No.
Nope. How about this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
And this one's a yeah as well. Good job. So you should circle that one, and that one. Lillian, number 2, circle the ones with 0 corners. Circle the circles. Good job. All right, the problem solving. Ted sorts shapes. He only picks objects that are 2-dimensional. So what objects does he pick? Connor?
The hexagon and the upside down triangle.
Hexagon and the upside down triangle. Good job.
It's the pole.
How are spheres and circles the same? And how are they different? Emma?
They're both circles.
They're both circular in shape. How are they different?
Because one you can hold and the other you
Yeah, one you can pick up and hold on to. It's a solid
That's basically the same
2D, 3D.
as-
All right, I think that was a pretty easy peasy lesson, friends.
That's it.
That's it for math today. We will see you later.